Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how we can implement two-way binding in Angular 14. So two-way binding is basically nothing but exchanging the data, or we can say transferring the data between this UI template in Angular and its component or TypeScript. We can say TypeScript phase. So this is basically these two files we transfer the data simultaneously at one go. Okay. So that is called two-way binding. Okay, from this TS to HTML and HTML to TS at the same time. Okay, so before proceeding, I would like to request you guys, please subscribe my channel if you have not done that yet. Okay, so now let's proceed. So to do that, first let's move to HTML page here, and this is the same file where I had left my previous video. Okay, so let me just remove this button for here from here. Okay, and also remove these property binding things from here. Okay, and here let me show you also one thing here in component file. So you can see here title. So basically the purpose of two-way binding could be like, I'm just giving you an example here. So this could be that some application allow users to change the title of their page or something. Okay, or anything like any heading title. So to do that, generally we can provide this kind of option to edit something and check at the same place. Okay, so here this title I'm going to change by using the two-way binding. Okay, so let's move to HTML and I will try to access that title, but you must need to use this thing to use or to implement the two-way binding feature in Angular. So here I will use ngmodel. Okay, and here I will assign it here title, which is on the TypeScript page. Okay, so now you can see in the HTML page, you can see now I'm getting the error, and that error is like can't bind this ngModel since it isn't a known property of input. So most of the developers do the mistake here that he just add it and don't import the ngModel, or we can say the ngModule from the Angular forms. It is not like currently imported. That's why I'm getting this error in this UI. Okay, so please keep this thing in mind that we must need to import that. So I'm going to now import it, and we must need to import that in the module. So currently I'm in you can say app module. That's why I'm going to use this route. Okay, so for example, suppose I would have in login or account module, then I must need to edit account module. Sorry. Okay, so currently I'm going to edit here in app module, because this app component are the parts or related with the app module. So here first I would like to access or import from at Angular forms. Okay, and here I will save it, and next thing I must need to also name it here forms module. Okay, and now the same thing I also need to import here so that it should be accessible in the view and template, say in the component file or TS file. So here I will also forms module. Okay, and that's it, and now I will save it, and now you can see I have saved this file. I have also saved this HTML file, and on this template file I am only having right now this already predefined value here, Angular 14. Okay, and I am going to edit it by using the two-way binding. So I will go ahead and now run this application by using npm start. Okay, and now it has started. You can see, and it is running on localhost 4200. So I will go to the browser here and I will refresh this, and you can see here the magic. Like here I have this edit. Okay, so I will do anything, but currently it's not going to display because I have not added here anything. So to display the same changing value, I must need to use also this thing. So for example, I am going to use here h1 title so that it should be visible properly. Okay, now again here h1, and inside this double curly braces I am going to implement interpolation. So here I will use interpolation to access this title. Okay, I will put here title and I will save it, and now you can see again it got compiled here, and we have the changed value, and there is something. Okay, now you can see Angular 14 is coming here. Let me also put one break here. So not HR tag, BR tag. Okay, let's put one more break so that it should be okay. Now you can see we can clearly see. Okay, so now let's add something Angular 14, and here I'm going to put two-way and binding. Okay, so you can see when I am doing here edit, then it is what it is doing here. From here this ngmodel, it is sending data back to component. Okay, and here it is changing the value of the title, and again that title is getting displayed here in using the interpolation. So this is the basically thing going on right now in the background. Okay, and this is going very fast, so that we cannot like calculate its timing. Okay, so it's very fast, and we cannot we can just see the change here. Okay, so if you will remove it, then again it will modify the same way as it is adding the values. Okay, so this is called two-way binding, and I hope it's pretty much clear now what is two-way binding. So if you have any questions, any doubt related to two-way binding, please feel free to write down in the comment section your questions. I will be happy to solve your problems, and also give me this, if you have any suggestions or feedback, or you can also write down there in the comment section. I will try to improve that. Okay, so that is all guys in this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.